Does my post title need to be the same as the keyword I am targeting? For example, if my keyword is can a dog eat meat, can I change it to something like, is it possible for a dog to eat meat? I wouldn't change it to that one because it's possible for a dog to eat anything. A dog could eat like a piece of wood, right? Or a dog could eat a human, really. But anyway, it's more of a joke than anything. I understand what you're saying. You could change the keyword up for a little bit and make it, you know, mean the same thing, but slightly different. So that's actually what we like to do. I like to get the main keyword definitely in the URL. I also like to put the main keyword at the very beginning of the title tag. And then you can do like a dash and then like have some other stuff to help like click-through rate or whatever. And then I like to have something very similar to the main keyword at least in the H1, up at the top of the article. So yeah, that's pretty much what I like to do. URL is pretty much exact, but you take out maybe some like filler words like to or the or whatever. And then title tag, I like the keyword right at the very beginning and then dash and then some extra stuff to help click-through rate and maybe some keyword variations after that. And then H1 will either be very close or maybe even the same thing, but maybe a slight little variation in there. What do you think, Nick?
Yeah, for my permalink structure, I'm probably going to go with the term that I want to get the most. So, if that's can a dog eat meat, then my permalink is going to be probably can dash dog dash eat dash meat. I'll just leave the A out. And then for like titles or anything else, I don't want to use the exact same thing typically. I want to switch it up at least a little bit, maybe throw in some synonyms there if I
Can
can.
dogs eat meat instead of can a dog eat
Yeah,
meat? Can
yeah,
dogs eat meat? So it's like
dogs.
literally the same exact thing, but just slight change.
Yeah. And then, so let's say you're going with can dogs eat meat as the permalink. So title or H tag, it, meat eating dogs or meat eating dog dash, is it healthy for a canine to eat meat? And I mean, like, obviously that's rough, but like
Yeah.
the point is you're injecting
He's on the spot, okay?
different way, yeah, different ways to say the same thing, because Google's algorithm is going to be based on, like different semantic maps that all fall under the same umbrella, right? So like you're just looking for beefing up that umbrella and taking over as many of those SERPs as possible. But the main thing that's going to, as far as I've noticed, give you an ability to go after the SERPs that are the highest competition is by putting that in the permalinks and then, dividing out from there.
Yes, sir. And yeah, I would also recommend go check out our blog article. You can just search for Sir Links a lot, on-page SEO, and it has like kind of these on-page SEO fundamentals in it. Like there's the very basic stuff that you have to do, and this is included in there. Deciding your the most important things about on-page, which are URL, title, H1. What am I missing? Meta description. H tags in general. Anyway, those are like the most important
Yeah.
spots, right? Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.